Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can take a screenshot on Samsung phone. Alright guys, here I have opened my phone, and if you want to take a screenshot on your Samsung phone, you have to press the volume button and the power button at the same time. I'm going to take a screenshot by pressing the volume button and the power button. Okay, now the screenshot has been taken, and actually there is another way to take a screenshot. You can use the assistant menu. So this is the assistant menu on my Samsung phone. If this assistant menu hasn't been activated on your phone, you have to turn it on your setting. You have to go to your setting, then activate this assistant menu. And if you want to take a screenshot with this assistant menu, you just need to tap on the assistant menu, then simply tap on a screenshot. Okay, now the screenshot has been taken, and we can check it on our gallery. I'm going to open my gallery, then open the screenshot folder. Okay, and this is the screenshot that I have just taken. Alright guys, and that's how we can take a screenshot on a Samsung phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.